Let's learn sentences. Actually, these days we are learning sentences. 6 sentences using the ism or buzzword. How do we use it? So some of you already know and few of you are new, so they will understand here. The topic is called today, let's learn sentences. So be prepared for that. First of all, I will just explain you how are we learning these sentences. So make sure that you pay attention there on the screen. Now, firstly, the use of is, am, are, was, were. So this topic we joining now. It's coming. So this topic, as I have been teaching this topic for
Good evening, sir.
1 week. Very good evening. Pay attention here. So the use of is, am, are, was, were. So first of all, I have taught you is plus noun. We use is plus noun. Is. He is, she is, it is, NP. NP means name of any person, singular. Fine. Rahul. So example, he is a doctor, she is my sister, it's my watch, Rahul is a teacher. So first of all, you need to make sure that using ESMR, our topic is let's learn sentence. Fine, let's learn sentences. Let's learn sentences by using is, am, are, was, were. Very important auxiliary verbs is, am, are, was, were. So number one, we have seen is plus noun, using is with noun. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. All these are known subject words. When we make a sentence, it needs a subject, it needs a verb, it needs sometime noun. Fine, it needs helping verb, it needs main verb. Various words are needed when we make a sentence. But then firstly, very simple way how can be learn English by using is, am, are. So while learning like this, first of all we will learn the use of is, am, are, and then as well as we will learn how to make sentences also. Fine. So firstly is plus noun, and then second one is called is plus ing. He, she, it, name of any person,
Sir.
and then ing. So now Anushka will read it. Anushka, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you read it loudly?
Okay, sir. He is a doctor. She is my sister. It, it is my watch. Rahul, Rahul is a teacher. He, he is doing his homework. She's calling me. It, it's raining here. Mohan is playing.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So next is called the use of am. Firstly, we have seen the use of is, the use of am. Now Aradhana will read it. It will follow the same thing, firstly with noun and then after that with ing.
Am I a student?
Very good.
Am I learning English?
Very good.
I am a carpenter.
Okay, very good.
Playing.
Okay,
I am singing.
okay,
I am drawing.
okay, ing. Very good. Next, we give the 6 sentence practice, which is very, very important for all the students. Practicing these 6 sentences will give you some confidence in speaking English language. At least few sentences.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. It can be negative, it can be interrogative, it can be interrogative negative, or else sometime according to situation it can be used on WH also. Fine.
Okay, sir. He is a doctor. He is not a doctor. Is he a doctor? Is he?
Not.
not.
Once again, correctly and loudly and clearly.
Okay, sir. He is a doctor. He is not a doctor. Is he a doctor? Is he not a doctor? Why is he a doctor? Why is he not a doctor?
Very good.
He is my friend. He is not my friend. Is he my friend? Is he not my friend? Why is he my friend? Why is he not my friend?
Yes, can you read it little loudly for the practice?
Okay, sir. She is a nurse. She is not a nurse. Is she a nurse? Is she not a nurse? Why is she a nurse? Why is she not a nurse?
Very good. Very good. Now, she is my sister.
She is my sister. She is not my sister. Is she my sister? Is she not my sister? Why is she my sister? Why is she not my sister?
Akash is from Uttarakhand.
Akash is from Uttarakhand. Akash is not from Uttarakhand. Is Akash from Uttarakhand? Is Akash not from Uttarakhand? Why is Akash from Uttarakhand? Why is Akash not from Uttarakhand?
Very good. Very good. Now, using it with ing, she is calling me. Anushka.
She is calling me. She is not calling me. Is she calling me? Is she not calling me? Why is she calling me? Why is she not calling me?
Very good. Very good. Akash.
Yes, sir.
He is speaking English. Make 6 sentences.
He is speaking English. He is not speaking English. Is he speaking English? Is he not speaking English? Why is he speaking English? Why is he not speaking English?
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड या लाइक दिस वेरी गुड इसी तरह से जो इसकी जितनी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे दिस विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इफ यू डू द
Sir,